Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about scholarship opportunities at University of Toronto and we'll take a look further about that. International students, the majority of our admission scholarships for international undergraduate applicants are automatically awarded as a part of admission review process. The two main admission award are University of Toronto Scholars Program and President Scholars of Excellence Program. Lester B. Person International Scholarship. Notice about fraudulent person scholarship offers, International Scholar Award. So yeah, you can take a look here. The International Scholar Award are automatically awarded to exceptional international across URT's largest division and faculties. The renewable award are offered upon admission and have a total value of over wow $1 lakh. Learn more about International Scholar Award through the division that offer them. Okay, like there are different faculties. You can click here and see if you are applying for these faculties. Okay, then you are eligible for that award. For international students are highly encouraged to complete the financial information section of the engineering online student profile to eligible for consideration. If you are applying, then you need to complete this information. After clicking that, then you will be automatically like eligible for the that scholarship award. International Merit Admission Award, this is another award for faculty of art and science. In course scholarships are also eligible available here. Now you can take a look here. There are frequently asked questions. If you have a question like how much does it cost to study at you University of Toronto, then you can click here and see how much it costs. They have more information and how I can apply for financial aid. I am international applicant. Can I receive financial assistance from University of Toronto? And how do I apply for that OSAP? And how do I apply for scholarship? If you have a question, mainly student asking question how I can apply for that scholarship, then you can take a look here and click here. Okay, and how do I contact the office of university admissions and outreach, then this is here. So these are all the frequently asked question. If you have any question, and here they say that international applicants are highly encouraged to complete that financial information form of the engineering online student profile, and then you can click here and you can see here the tuition fee information and like how much will be the cost to stay there. You can take a look here. International applicants, then scholarships, you can take a look here. So these are all the information about the scholarships. Apply, you can click here. Okay, now if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And that was all about the scholarship opportunities at University of Toronto. I wish you best of luck. If you want to hear more about scholarship opportunities, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, take care and bye bye.